The Xperia 1 and Xperia 10 smartphones launched last year and now have a successor. They are Sony's first 5G phones. To reveal this anticipation is the Let's Go Digital portal. Most likely, this phone will be released under the name Sony Xperia 5 2. Let's Go Digital, in partnership with the concept creator, has made a series of renders to get a first idea of the design. And also he made an impressive video animation about the smartphone. The current model comes with a 6.1 FHD plus 21:9 aspect ratio display. However, the new model is rumored to be even more compact and has a 5.8 or even 5.6 display. The sensor used for the front camera is still unknown. Sony has been choosing the 8MP image sensor for a long time, and it might be something different this time around. The rear camera will probably have 3 image sensors. Although it is expected that photos and video features will be improved. The company is expected to use ICE lenses. The Xperia 1 2 has the same camera configuration as the Xperia 5, with larger sensors and better lenses than the Xperia 1. Therefore, these models are better able to take pictures in the evening. The camera and its capabilities for Sony remain a very important feature. Therefore, some improvements can be expected. You can also assume that the Sony Xperia 5 2 will be a smartphone with 5G. As for the chipset, the model will come with the latest and most powerful currently Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. It is expected that the smartphone will have 8GB of RAM and 256GB of built-in microSD expansion. Much is still unknown about the battery capacity. If Sony equips the new model with a smaller screen, it will undoubtedly affect the capacity. You can also expect compatibility with other Sony electronics. For example, the Sony Alpha camera can control the Xperia 5 smartphone. Last year, this Sony model was even compatible with the PlayStation 4 controller DualShock 4. The smartphone will receive a symmetrical USB Type-C port and a standard 3.5mm headphone jack. On the side parts are visible physical control buttons. The Xperia 5 was unveiled in early September 2019 before the IFA in Berlin. The IFA 2020 is scheduled for September 4 to 9, but it was cancelled due to COVID-19 coronavirus. So for now, we can expect the Sony Xperia 5 2 to be announced in late August or early September and go on sale in a month. As for the price, the Xperia 5 received a suggested retail price of $980,105.